Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an upgrade with the Magguts for the Glock 43, as well as going to be a combination with the Pearce grip +1. This is the package you get with the Magguts. Basically it comes with these new springs, the Z spring as they call it, as well as the new follower that you have in there. Now the big complaint of this gun is that the magazines don't hold enough rounds. Some think 6 is not enough, some think that 6 is just right for these, but for those who want more, I'm going to show you how to get +2 while keeping it with the +1 grip. So of course the first thing you need is this Magguts follower and spring, and it's going to go right into the magazine. This part on top, and the spring going to go like this, and just drop it in. Now for the Pearce grip +1, it's going to come with a bottom that originally looks like this, but because this spring compresses in such a way that this blocks it, you got to trim it down so it's flat. That way the spring doesn't touch it. So of course I'm going to compress this all the way down. With the floor plate, bottom right there, and then you're going to slide this one right over top, and there it is. You have a +2 Glock 43 magazine with the +1 extension on the bottom, so it's a little shorter than the +2s that they have out there. Now these rounds will go in rather easily up until the 8th round. Excuse me, I dropped one. So as you can see, I'll show you right now, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's going to get really tight around here. And this one, what I find is the best way to do it is kind of dig this round back down and insert it downward and back. It is very snug in there, so you might have a hard time getting it in. We have 8 in here. And it's going to give a little bit of wiggle room, but that's all you're going to get with this. So next thing we're going to do, gun's empty, nothing's in there. The other thing I noticed is that because the round is so high to the top of the magazine, you can't really just pop it in there. It's not going to sit. You kind of have to hook it or give a nice little jam in there. But the magazine, I've taken it to the range. It runs great. I put 100 rounds through it, and I haven't had any issues. So to solve the big question about these two components working together, they do just that. So thank you for watching.